And what about your experience with us now?
Oh, very good. Very good experience. Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Thank you.
I had to search, I'm staying near Ajmer in the Pushkar area, and I had to search online, where is a chiropractor in India?
Yes.
And I'm so happy I found you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
What am I facing? I have TMJ problem. My jaw is out of alignment. Yeah.
We are going to align. It happened in previous in the past or
No, I've
just
never had this before, ever. But never had this before.
Any other spine issues?
My lower back is bothering me. Neck out of alignment.
Okay, I'm doing alignment. Open your mouth, please. This side is troubling.
It's just the side that's clicking,
Yeah,
and
relax.
this side is tight.
Yeah, relax. Open mouth. Open your mouth. Loose, ma'am, loose. Yes. Open your mouth. Yeah. Breathe in. Breathe out. And here, just below your neck, relax. Okay, open. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax, ma'am. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe. Loose, ma'am. Loose. Body loose. Loose.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, relax. Loose. Loose, ma'am. Body loose. Face turn that side. Right side turn. Right side, relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Done. One more. Sorry. Turn that side. Leg straight. This leg back. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Loose, ma'am. Loose. One more time. Yes. Please lie down, throw. Lie down on your belly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Please sit down, ma'am. Face that side. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good, ma'am. Good. Keep this hand. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Open your hands. Lock my fingers. Bring your fingers on my fingers. Elbow touch down. Yeah. Look up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Please one walk, man.
Walk?
One walk. Hello. Thank you.
Okay. So what about my jaw?
Open your mouth. Open. Open.
Yeah, that's better.
That's better.
Come where?
The last one. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Get up now. So, ma'am, from how long you are taking chiropractic adjustment in a states in America?
Since the 1980s.
1980s,
80s.
before my birth, actually.
Yeah.
How-
I
how-
had an accident and I had to go car accident and my neck.
Okay, neck twisted. Okay.
Yeah, so I had to have I had whiplash.
Whiplash.
So I had to have my neck adjusted.
Mhm.
And then I found out that my cranial was completely locked down because I had hit my head
Headache.
years before
Mhm.
and was having migraines and didn't realize that
Still, migraine is troubling you.
no migraines after she did my cranial and my
So, ma'am, to all my viewers and my Indian Indians are little less aware about chiropractic method because it's already in America only.
yes.
So, what you will suggest to our viewers?
Well, for my
On this one.
jaw, they wanted me to go to the doctors and get X-rays and so forth. And I know from my experience of going to the chiropractors, they can put the gloves on, they go in your mouth, and they can adjust your jaw and adjust your neck if it's out, instead of having surgery and taking pain pills and all that. It's better to go to a chiropractor when you're having those kind of issues.
And what about your experience with us now?
Oh, very good. Very good experience. Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Thank you.
I had to search, I'm staying near Ajmer in the Pushkar area, and I had to search online, where is a chiropractor in India? And I'm so happy I found you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.